Hi everyone, welcome to Texila American University Zambia Press Club. I'm your presenter James Makalash and I'm with my colleague here. What's your name?
My name is Tawanah.
Okay, so Tawanah here is going to tell you the very interesting part about Texila American University and how she knew Texila and what inspired her to come here at Texila American University. Today at Texila American University we are at the orientation for March 24 intake for MBCHP, which is HPFP, Health Professional Foundation for MBCHP, which is Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery. Hi Tawanah.
How are you?
I'm alright, thank you. What country are you from?
So I was born in Zimbabwe, but I grew up in South Africa.
So you are from Zimbabwe and South Africa?
Yeah.
Because then you are what you call Sitten by birth and Sitten by... yeah. Okay, so what inspired you to come as Texila?
My dream is to become a doctor, specifically a dermatologist. So Texila just seemed like the perfect place to achieve those dreams.
Yeah. Alright. So how did you know about Texila?
My uncle who lives here told me about it, so I decided to apply, and now
Okay. So how were the orientations?
the orientations were very insightful today. I just feel more ready and excited for next week, and I met a few people, which was fun. Yeah.
So what are your expectations for next week, since next week you are starting classes?
I'm honestly expecting a lot of work, but I'm very excited to meet like our professors and meet other people. So yeah, just expecting hard work and just a new experience.
Alright, thank you. So how do you encourage people out there who are looking for best universities to study from in terms of medicine, since you are a medical student now? And I would call you Dr. Tawanah. Yeah. So how do you encourage people out there who are researching for best universities to study from in Zambia, or let me say in Africa?
I would say whatever your dream is, you should just go and apply for any medical school that meets your values and like also your expectations, and also just a place where you feel like you could be at home. So yeah, I would just say go for something new, go have something that is like similar to your values, and go have fun. Yeah.
So you mean Texila suit your values?
It does, yeah.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Don't forget that Texila is an international university, and I would encourage everyone out there to come and start at Texila. They don't only offer medical courses but also business courses such as VIT and so on. Thank you. It was your boy James Makalash.